Welcome, in front of me is a RUGGEAR RG655, and today I'll show you how to put this device into the boot mode. So to get started, let's hold the power key, select power off, and once the device actually shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume up, both of the keys at the same time, which will boot us into the boot mode. There we go. So in this mode, you will need to use volume up to navigate through this super complicated menu of only 3 options. So as you can see, once you press volume up, it just kind of cycles through it. And then volume down will be used to confirm what is selected. Now, the first option is recovery mode, which will simply put us into the recovery mode where we actually have a more comprehensive list of options. We can also boot into fast boot mode with the second option, and normal boot with the third option, which will get us back to Android. And that is actually what I'm going to accept here by pressing volume down. And there we go. As you can see, we're now back in Android. So that is how you could boot in and out of the boot mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.